here. Go wrong here. Well, I'll get it tacked and I'll work it out. This has become very frustrating. The welder that I've been using, the cover that helps channel the gas to the weld, I had to replace, and I forgot to change the little copper or the little brass feeder on the end of it. Anywho, the problem ended up being I forgot to put it in, and it was going poorly. So now I'm just putting the new one back on, fixing it all up. Then it's got a weld sweet. Just wasn't thinking. That always happens sometimes. Okay, that'll do. Now, I'm going to try welding.
Anyway, let's get lunch first.
I'm giving Jamie the opportunity to practice welding. Underneath the bucket, no one's going to see the damage. So, you can weld away like that. Okay, I'll leave you with it. Done, Dad.
Looks really messy. Then you need to get a hammer.
No, it's only half welding. Alright, what we do now,
Looks like dog shit.
yeah, what we do now, flip it over the other way. Fold it over.
I can't see because of that light there.
You might have to bring the bucket up, bring that up, and see if you can fold it under itself.
Yeah. What's wrong with this? It's not down there. Actually, you need to do more there. You reckon?
Where?
I couldn't get it inside here because you cut off. In the gaps, fill that in.
Don't worry about that one. Now,
It's still connected. Is that okay?
yeah.
Excuse me.
Come with me if you want to live. Been a pretty simple little job. So, but I decided I would video it, and just to show you what can be done if you have the time. It saves you a lot of money, and that'll stop it from wearing out the bucket from then on. My son Jamie is also learning how to weld, so he can't do any damage here, and it's something you've got to learn if you want to hang around machinery. I hope you like what we've done. I'm going to move on to the next project now, but this is the end of the bucket repair, and the paint had already been done beforehand, so painting and repairing, well, it's more, but it had to be painted before, not now. Catch ya.